Morning team. It's Friday, May 5th. Anyway, last day of the week. We got NFP today. Red news only New York, but we got some small news in London too. Yeah, nothing big, but okay. Charts. Yesterday we printed a red candle. I don't see anything bearish, to be honest. But like nothing. The pullback of yesterday was kind of violent on low time frame, but it was healthy, clean. It looks to me that we are you know, sometimes I call this pattern the coil, that we are like pushing below resistance, like loading. I don't know, I got the feeling that this thing is gonna explode at some point, like up. I don't have the distribution feeling that they're gonna dump it. This is not distribution to my eyes. It looks like they're pushing, and at some point it's gonna pop up. This is how I look at price action, to be honest. Because look at this, they're printing higher high and higher low all the way up. This is an higher high. Look, higher lows. This is bullish, you know. So I'm bullish on night time frame. I'm bullish. I can play a short, but I don't see price going much lower than that. That said, is Friday. Friday usually we need the up week of the weekly. So I don't know if we going to go above the 111. Maybe we go to the fair value gap, like explode with NFP, like 60-70 pips, and then pull back and retrace a little bit. Anyway, let's have a look at hourly charts. As I said, I'm bullish. I see H12 is still bullish. I don't see anything bearish. 2-3 BMS here. We pull back. Took the flat low. Instant rejection. Now we got here and low resistance liquidity run. So I don't know. I think we need to go up. I don't see one single reason to become bearish. Yeah, okay. H1 did several BMS, but this is a pullback. Look at this. H4 fair value gap in discount, perfectly balanced. Wow. Michael will be crying on this OT touch. Anyway, looks bullish to me, guys. I don't know. The price down, the move down was really balanced. I don't see any reason to go down right now. I can be wrong. We're gonna be wrong if we start to close below yesterday low, like hourly charts start to go below this one. Well, if we lose this support, I think it's game over. If we H4 start to go below this one, then bull dream is done, is over. And as I said, H1 had several BMS, like bearish BMS, but this is just a pullback to my eyes. Well, this is not BMS. This is BMS. So into the breaker, actually. Anyway, I don't like when they push much in Asia, but I can see why they're doing this. So what I think is that this bearish of the block untested should give some sort of reaction. If this gives up instantly, we moon it, you know, like I don't know, we're going up big time. I think this one should give some sort of reaction, and I'm gonna try to long in the pullback from this or the block. but I want to favor longs big time. Let's have a look to low time frame. Yeah, same thing. This M15 origin, I expect some sort of bearish reaction, and from there we need to reevaluate and see where we can look for longs. I don't like to mark any long level right now because I dislike Asia origins, because usually it's too easy to manipulate price these hours. So yeah, I'm not saying that the order blocks made in Asia are fake, but I don't trust them as much as one made in London, you know, or New York. So I'm gonna wait patiently and post some charts later of origins that I'm gonna look for longs. That said, if we get up here and I see some distribution and I see a clean long short, I'm gonna be for it, you know. If I see this and then I see like this, I'm gonna be up for it, you know. Why not? Well, maybe not that low, but looks okay. That's enough for me today, guys. Be aware of NFP. So better if you trade London open or London close, and speak to you later in the group. Ciao.